Oh, you can't hear me. Holy shit. Okay. Now you can hear me. I was saying I might try something a little different today. You know, there are no rules. Am I a dog? This is one of the default live 2D things that you can pull up. I can be a cat. I can be a schoolgirl, I guess. But I'm gonna choose to be a dog in this rice bowl. Shooting dogs. Yeah, man. Whoa, you can... I can see the appeal of being a live 2D expressive kind of model. Let me remove this talk marker. I think it's a little excessive for this. Yeah, actually, I don't think I can remove it. Oh, wait, unless... Oh, okay. That works. Oh, wait, nope. You can still see it clipped. Okay. There we go. That's a little better. Hype train record tonight. Yeah, absolutely. We're doing the hype train record tonight, right, guys? We gotta beat the AI VTubers. We gotta beat the AI VTubers. It's a moral imperative, apparently. That's crazy though. For real, like I was reading a little bit about it. It was like 3 back-to-back hype train records, which is fucking crazy. Yeah, maybe the next AI model that's gonna come out is not from OpenAI or Anthropic or Google. It's gonna be VTOL. For hype trains, which is better, 10 tier 1 subs or 1 tier 3 subs? I think they're all the same, to be quite honest. Yeah, I mean 10 is better to give to more people. Okay, so what we're doing today is I said I was going to explode you all at the end of the TTS, but I'm trying to get this one thing to work that I thought was working earlier, but it's not. Which is letting mods manually activate a TTS on messages we think are funny. If I move this over here, yeah, you can see I was working on stuff earlier. There's tier, close, theme. What was I doing? Okay, right here. Yeah, I'm like confused as to why it's not working. Let me walk through it step by step. So the idea is I want to be able to let mods reply to a message and that will automatically activate a TTS. And so for every chat message, grab the message, username is moderator is reply. If none of these are true, then exit, which that's working. If it is true, split the message in 2. Right, like this works. And so if the second part of the message is TTS, then do everything here, which this was working, and then pass it to the TTS manager. Now the problem here is the TTS manager was not working. It was not passing it on for real. Let me just test that the TTS is actually working. So I'm going to turn on channel points and let a few play, but I'm not going to let all of them play. This is just for testing. Okay, I'm gonna try to send a toast notification, see if that works. Oh, you have to, fuck, okay, I'll refund those points, but you have to put in the character. Alright, the character's not working. Okay, is there something fucking busted with the TTS then? Okay, that's annoying. Alright, well now that we know, so let's try this. That's working. That's not working. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Alright, I'll refund those points in a bit. Okay, so that's working. Oh, okay. This value is wrong. Oh, I saw someone pop up. Okay, so this is now working. But when we go to the TTS manager, that's like kind of fucky-wucky for some reason. I don't think I modified this code at all.
This is a test message.
Yeah, that's working. Unless... Oh, you know what's happening? So this is working. However, if we go here... Something is off. Because I did fuck with this earlier. Wait and speak. Yeah, speak and wait, text, character, voice input. Yes. Let me try to manually trigger your chat messages. Actually, grandpa test.
So Windows 10 has extended updates now.
Test.
Okay, wait, that works for some reason. All right. But if I... Let's see if I do this. Okay, so if they specify a character... If they specify a character, it works. However, if they don't specify a character, it still should work. Because I force a character grandpa. So force character grandpa. So the manager is not handling a forced character. Outstring forced character. So I say if message length is not 2 parts. Yeah, if bits equals 1, then grandpa. Autoplay for bits. Oh, maybe it's this if statement here. If forced character is not null. Oh, I see. And not... Is this wrong? Maybe if forced character... Let me just try that. So yeah, that's a risky one. Yeah, this kind of... Something broke when we didn't allow certain people to be a character. If messaging... Am I spelling grandpa wrong? Force character equals grandpa. Pass it down to here. You know what we should do? I'll just debug it. So if force character is equal to... Yeah, it's a string. So I will say CPA show toast notification test grandpa. Save and compile. Okay, that worked. That's weird. TTS character. Wait, so it goes down here. So TTS character equals force character. So what is force character then? No, force character is grandpa. Then what's TTS? Okay, why is it not even playing anything? Because it should set the argument to TTS character. What the fuck? This is a mystery, actually. This is quite an interesting mystery. I'm gonna pull this down here to say TTS character. Right. So TTS character should say grandpa. Okay, it says fucking grandpa. Alright, what's the problem? So this is actually working properly. The grandpa's showing up, right? Grandpa's showing up. So grandpa's showing up as TTS character. And so if I go down here... Oh, you know what might be actually happening? Is I'm not passing the reply. For some reason, I may just have the wrong thing for reply. But the message is OG message and OG username. So like, this is working. Set argument message, set argument username. And I think I can check that here. Yeah, so let's say cph dot show toastnet. This is so such a fucked way to debug this. Username message. All right. Compile. Save. Okay, that's fucking working. What the fuck? Okay, so streamerbot, so let's try here. This should play TTS voice chat input. Okay. Let's just toast this out. Uh-oh, that's wrong. Oh, hold on. Okay, so that's wrong. But then if I do this... Test title grandpa. Oh, what the... No, TTS voice imp. Oh, no. It's message. It's message, not grandpa. Okay, so I know that works. So if this works, it's like a streamerbot problem. Okay, it's not correctly passing through the message. We found that out. Everything else is working, but it's not correctly passing through the message. Oh my god. Okay. So why is it not passing the message? The message should be set argument messages OG message and OG username. So let's just verify this real quick. Set argument OG message OG username. Copy that out here. Compile. Okay. That works. So this technically is passing through this. Okay. Save. Man, did I just regress this whole thing? Okay, so that works. Oh, it's called message for TTS. Okay. So message for TTS is not being passed. Oh. Because message for TTS is going to be 2 lengths. Okay, if character list contains... Okay, false grandpa. Autoplay for bits. Okay, what is message for TTS then? Message for... Okay, message for TTS is blank here. So if there are Oh. So this, okay, so message for TTS equals message. Do not split out. Message for TTS equals message. Do not split out. Compile. Okay. And let's go to the full thing here. What the dog doing? Testing you.
What the dog doing?
Oh my god, yes! I hate methodical debugging, dude. I just want to know off the top of my head. I hate that I had to do that. Okay, so now mods can exclamation mark TTS random messages they want to turn into TTS.
I propose we replace Grandpa with Granddad. I don't know how that fixes the coding argument, but I'm sure if the script is into a decade-old meme, it'll start shouting about it. Let's go.
All of you better have a good time in this chat while I sleep, or else I am going to violently explode.
Oh, fuck yeah, it's working.
Gah.
Okay, well, now I have this new parameter, which is force character, which I like, so I'm gonna keep that. Force character grandpa, so I'm gonna make it click.
Choco milk.
Oh, I'm so happy. The relief I feel for all of this to work. I'm so happy.
The sacrifices worked. All we had to do is sacrifice the vocal cords, and the voices returned.
Why am I a dog? Just because I can. Yo, it's my stream. I can do whatever I want, technically. So why is it such a weird thing that I just decided to be a dog today?
Oh, you didn't know? Well, you'd better call somebody.
He was always a dog. What are you talking about? Hi, I am the coolest Greg ever.
Can we pet the dog?
No.
I'm happy to see everything you planned works up, but I just came, that's weird, because I feel like I missed something.
You just came?
What the dog doing?
Okay, so let me explain what happened. In the past, like, 3 days...
What the dog doing?
The past 3 days, I've been working on what I would consider my dream TTS system. Alright? It's, yeah, it's my dream TTS system. Where I have a cast of characters for different TTS voices. I have funnier TTS voices, and I can click random messages to activate TTS.
I am currently in crippling debt.
Yeah, so I can click anyone here and activate TTS, and they can also specify their character.
When can we eat, Shin?
Okay, and also I need to add the channel point. I need to do the channel point fix. So I'm gonna say cph.setArgument is channel points 1. Alright, these are really messy flags, but it will work. Is bits or is channel points equals 1. What was my parameter for that again? Is channel points. Okay, then we got is channel points. Is this gonna... Okay, is channel points. No one who actually knows how to program, look at me. Okay, I'm just trying to get this to work now. Is channel points. Invalid expression is. What the? Oh, right here. Is channel points does not exist in current context. Oh, out string. No, out int. Out int. Done. Alright, so now if you use channel points without saying anything or saying the character, it should automatically work. Alright, that didn't work. I'll refund everyone if you did this on accident. Huh. Is channel points... Did I spell this wrong? Is channel points... Oh. Yeah, this... Actually, this whole script was broken. Okay, done.
Beat.
Do I have a toast?
So he originated from a dog, and it's his default form.
This nerd is so quiet. I might switch out the nerd. Honestly, I'm gonna switch out the nerd voice.
You're wrong. Sulfuric acid.
The nerd voice is funny, but it's, too soft.
This is a test message.
There we go. I tried amplifying it.
Back in my day, things just worked out. Back in my day, dogs just sat around looking cute. They weren't streaming as VTubers or dreaming of coding.
Outant!
It's the daily Bing test for Shin. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing.
Alright, I'm gonna keep the...
I'm too soft. So what you're saying is you want me to be hard?
This dog is the purest definition of kawaii.
I'm playing Ocarina of Time on a poorly coded N64 emulator. Bazinga.
Wonderful.
I wish my dog could program.
Alright, I'm gonna switch back to my previous avatar.
Quick! Cast a spell to turn Shin into a dog. I cast Geico Gecko car insurance ad on all of you.
Who left this dog for the sacrifice?
I'm the one who turned him into a dog.
Did you steal my body pillow again, Shonen? Back in my day, dogs died instead of streaming on Twitch.
Testicular torsion. Times 10. Whoosh! I cast Bring the Doggo Bag.
Hello. Okay. We're back.
Okay, so one of my spells misfired, and one of you now really like to eat drywall for some reason. But who?
help. Shin has been turned into a mochi dog and looks delicious.
My power is immaculate. I can prepare a 2-minute frozen burrito in 1 minute.
We must protect Shin from the evil wizards turning him into dogs. Don't worry, Shin. I will find the villain who turned you into this dog and return you back to Noor. Oh, wait. You're good. Now.
Now?
I cast. You're now breathing and blinking manually. You just lost the game. An uncomfortable tongue.
Drywall.
How are you able to do
What
that?
did you do with the doggo? Bring back doggy.
Dogapata graboom. Now you're a dog.
Okay, so let's update the to-do
Yummy
list.
drywall. At least it's better than Warhammer plastic.
Bring back the dog.
The nerd sounds so much better. Reply system for TTS. Okay,
Damn,
to
I
add.
could really go for some drywall. What's a girl gotta do to get some?
To add, let mods force
Yeah.
certain characters. All right, that's for later.
I'm turning Shan back into a dog.
I'm gonna put these down
Give us
here.
the dog. Who do we need to sacrifice to get him back?
Can I bring back Watson? We already have a British guy. We already got Rupert. I think there is a British voice. Hold on. But it was a
With
Microsoft
hair of
Azure
hog and
voice.
water from a bog, I cast Return to Dog.
ENGB, I think. And I think neutral.
Back in my day, plastic was still dinosaurs, not this oil stuff.
This is a test message.
Okay, that was Thomas. Liam, Abby,
Let's
Ada,
sacrifice Shin
Elliot,
and see if it
Libby,
brings back the dog.
Noah.
I heard Toby Fox was on the stream. Did I miss him? That's a shame. I'll go back to my scheduled sacrifices.
This is a test message.
I'm Archibald testing, replying to myself. Is Shonen Peep single?
Who is this Sans Deltarune guy?
I swear I had a more neutral
Microsoft
sounding, or I had a
Anna's the
more
baby
British
voice,
sounding Azure
right?
voice, and I can't
We
find
need
them.
it.
Maybe Sam? No.
This is a test message.
Sonia, Ryan.
According to my analytics, your viewer retention went up 78% while you were a dog.
This is a test message.
Did you know cat hair loves to hide in keyboards? When did you last clean your keyboard?
This is a test message.
Oh, that's it. I think that is
Back in
Watson.
my day, Yowie was only 10 cents. Damn inflation.
I think that is Watson.
I tried to touch grass once. It wasn't in my skill tree.
Okay, I'm gonna add a new character per
Well,
mod's
since
request.
the dog is gone, guess we gotta get Shin fixed instead.
Oh God. All right, let's see if we can add Watson. Duplicate this. It's not Grandpa. It's another Peepo though. So delete these three. Filters. Yeah, like Sherlock Holmes. There we go. So let's change these filters to like this. In the future, we'll have the streams dedicated to rotating more characters in. I'm still kind of in like the development phase for this. Okay, Watson. Perfect. Oops. Let me pull up my display capture, show you what Watson looks like here. Rename to Watson. Dude, the fact that this takes like less than a minute to do though is such a huge game changer for me. StreamerBot General, no, Manager. We add the code to Watson. Right, can someone type a Watson TTS that I can use and test? Edmund's dead, I think. I tried to bring Edmund back. But I think OpenAI killed him.
I solved the murder, I did it.
That sounds like Watson.
Watson. Edmund died in the war.
Watson, he wears Saskatchewan. Edmund died in the war.
Time to solve if this works or not. Elementary, my dear Peepo. Elementary, my dear Peepo. I'm very smart. I am Watson. Edmund died in the war.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, for some reason, it went directly to the grandpa. All right, so we got Watson. All right, we're accomplishing a lot today. Let me pull up my to-do list. I'm gonna write a new section here. Accomplished. Accomplished. We got mod reply working. Mod replies working. I'm gonna say we give mods a way to force characters. Added Watson. I also want to show off a new thing, which is the +2 system. So if you +2 anybody for their TTS or just anything in general, it should show a leaderboard for that. So let's all +2 a random person. Let me like activate a TTS for someone. You have to at them. You have to at them.
It's elementary? I graduated elementary 15 years ago.
Oh wait, you have to at them first. Yeah. Okay, so I'm seeing some ads come through. This is something you guys might have to learn because it's enforced in a very specific way. Okay, so this looks correct. Oh, and I need a button to update. All right, so this honestly this might not be today because I don't feel like doing more of it. I was working on it most of today. Update. So let's test trigger. Filter. Leaderboard. Look at that. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. And so if I bring in... if I bring in this scene... It's a little scuffed right now. It's basic, but hey, it's a good place to start.
Can we 2 or just +2?
No, it has to be specifically +2. It has to be specifically like name +2. And I need a button to like update it, I think. Can you do yourself? Yeah, but if you do it a lot, then I'm gonna think you're a chud. If you are intentionally trying to break the system, I don't think you're clever. I kind of think you're just being a chudhead. I don't think it's like interesting at all. Just kidding. I actually think you're the coolest person ever. You get a medal everything in your life is going to be better from now on because in this one instance, you decided to break a thing that someone set up. You know what? The world has been unfair to you. You deserve more. And in this one moment, you have proven to everybody that you're actually worthy of greater things. But only because you chose to try to edge case break something. You tried to break something with an edge case, and really, I've never seen anyone do that ever on a Twitch stream.
Huh. I'm gonna vote myself to the top of this imaginary funny competition. Everyone will know I'm so funny for doing this. There's no possible way this could go wrong.
Actual +2s though. Actual plus. Actually perfect use. Actually perfect use of the TTS there. I should also do... Oh, I'm giving myself more assignments. Okay. To do, add leaderboard of top used. Add leaderboard of top used characters. All right, I'm gonna do that tomorrow, offline. I'm tired. All right, we're going to test trigger. Look at that, Toony Looney jumping straight to the top of the leaderboard. Jumping straight to the top of leaderboard. Who is blank? Who is blank? I'm gonna fix that in the code. We shouldn't have any blanks. That was not rigged at all. Not rigged. Not rigged at all.
If you vote for me, I can use the leaderboard for free advertising.
Yeah, if you have a good TTS. So the idea that we trigger people who score on the leaderboard, it triggers as a number. I don't know what you're saying. It's just whoever makes a good TTS, I would encourage you to +2 them, and at the end of the stream, we can evaluate the leaderboard, is kind of the idea I had. And then also we have... I have another like RPG idea, where the more times you use different characters, like they gain quote-unquote experience. And I don't know what happens, but like maybe we go on a date with a character. I don't know. But I like the idea that you're like incentivized to use your favorite character all the time. Oh, was it a case of chat voting and play someone's TTS? Oh no. No, that's also a good idea though. That is kind of interesting, where like if 5 different people vote for someone's message, it will like automatically trigger them as a TTS character. That could be kind of neat. Who's 5th place? I don't know. It's a bug where it's not showing who they are. I am noticing the system's a bit more complicated than I set it out to be. On my way to school and got notified by the hype train. You're getting captured by notifications that are trying to hit your dopamine response. You gotta unplug. You gotta go to school. Okay, you know what the new feature before we get into the explosion feature? You missed what the points mean? The points are just if someone has a good TTS message, you +2 them. Okay, so for the mod feature, I wonder if I can do a forced character. Let's see, so if split message part, okay, hold on. 1. If message, okay, so string message character equals message parts 2, and say if, wait a second, I can do this. If message character is not null. Or message.
I'm not built different. I'm built with deprecated code.
Very good. Okay, message character is not null. Oh shit, but what if it doesn't have 3 parts? Fuck. Okay, hold on. If message parts dot count is equal to 3, so exactly 3. Okay, then we'd add this. String message character equals nothing. So if this is equal to 3, oh no, double equal to 3, take that. Thank you for the hype train, guys. And plus 2ing for some reason. I want to do an animation for the plus 2. Stay tuned for that. And then you're in probably the end of the month. If message character, okay, cph.set argument force character message character. Oops. Okay. And let's say cph.set argument.
My power level is over 9,000,
reply.
but my social battery and credit is at 3%.
Hey, Season, thank you for the gift subs. Oh my god. Thank you for the 5 gifted. If mod reply is equal to 1. Yeah, given that's a plus 2 right there. That's a plus 2. You know what? I'm just gonna auto update every time you guys chat. So I don't have to manually update it. I was scared when that happened it would slow down OBS, which it absolutely will. But, wait, not a kick chat, just chat. Twitch chat. Twitch chat. Twitch chat. Twitch chat. Thank you. Now we'll automatically update per chat message. Thank you for the 5 gifted. Thank you so much. Thank you. You know what? Oh, also for the 5 gifted, I'm gonna turn on TTS free chat. So if you specify your character, it should automatically show up. There we go.
Test.
Yep, all chat messages with the character will show up.
Daddy wants his soup.
Now that we have all these characters, we summon to make a family tree.
Discombobulate him, Holmes.
I am married to heroism.
I am the cutest.
Let's commit some sacrifices to bring back the dog.
Weep. I thought that said tits leaderboard for a second.
This is the whole project, by the way. Roma Dice. I'm going to show you. I'll do a huge overview of how TTS works in a bit.
I need my code
So I need to check
work
force
now.
character on here. If force
I'm
character.
gonna frog. What does discombobulate mean?
Don't tell me I'm related to that boomer.
Bippity, boppity boo, your nipples will go boom.
Why do I sound more like a nerd than the nerd?
Now, with Watson, we're 7. The 7 Shindig's ex-boyfriends you'll have to fight against.
Who are these people? Get out of Milan.
We need someone to make a family tree for all these characters.
Womba Bompa Wiggly.
Okay, I need to turn off the TTS free chat real quick.
Fan of Shindig.
I need to turn off the free. Sorry, I need to turn off the TTS free chat because I need to test the mod. I need to test the mod reply forced. Sorry, mod reply forced. Oh fuck! Hold on. If mod reply and if forced character. Oh shit. Mod reply equals 1. Forced character grandpa. How's this gonna work? If forced character is not grandpa. No, but you can force grandpa. Okay, hold on. Let's say mod force character. Compile. Oops. Uh-oh, this is all fucking broken. If message... Oh, okay, this is right here. 24. Oh, this would be broken anyway. String does not contain count and no accessible method count. What? How do I get the length of a string? Or the length of an array? Get length of string array in C#. I'm coding in C#, by the way. Length. It's length. Okay, it's length, not count. Okay, if length equals 3. Alright, local parameter message character cannot be declared in this scope because this name is enclosing local. What the fuck? Oh. Thank you for level 3 hype train, guys. Okay, so let's say if mod force character is mod forced. All these flags are fucked. I don't feel good about this. I don't feel good about this code. Okay. If mod reply equals 1, then force character. Wait a second. CPH dot, oh wait, try get arg is mod forced out int is mod forced, right? And let's dude, if I could just do this in VS Code or something, this would go a little faster. Right, is mod forced. Okay, so if the mod has forced a character beyond the default force character, and length is 1, TTS character. Okay, so the logic has to end up...
Hey Shin, can you add Microsoft Anna, Ava, and Christopher too? Thanks.
Yes, I can. How did that happen? If is mod forced 1. Check if mods forced a character, then TTS character is equal to...
Had y'all stretch and get a drink or something.
Oh, I can just do it here. Fourth character. If mod reply equals 1, TTS character equals force character? So I didn't need that before. TTS is grandpa. Okay, so I need to go back here and remove all this extra stuff. We'll just do force character. Okay. I think that will work. So if I do TTS nerd. Uh-oh. That just fucking broke. TTS. Uh-oh. Not saying anything. TTS. Whoa, uh-oh. Wait a fucking second. Oh no. We went on like a we went on a little coding adventure and I may have fucking broken everything. Okay. TTS generalized mod reply. Okay, so if message character is null. So let's just do this. cph.showToast test message character. Kaori-chan, welcome. Thank you for the raid. Thank you, thank you. Oh shit, it's not even going all the way here. I'm working on a new TTS system that I'm very excited about, but it might be kind of fucked. Okay, so let's bring this up here. If message character... Oh, is equal to... Oh, fuck. Is not equal. Oh my god. Such a simple thing. I believe in you, brother. Okay, let's see if this works on your message. TTS nerd. Okay, that didn't work. Fuck. TTS. Oops. Oh shit. Okay, so that worked. However, the message isn't passing through. Dude, every time I fuck with this mod script, it's ruining everything. However, if I just press this button here... What? Wait, it's not... Oh, we broke something in the main script, I think. Okay. Something here is definitely broken. So if if one... Oh shoot. Think. Else. Oh, because it used to be on force character. Okay, so I'm gonna say if force play. If force, oh my god. Mod reply equals 1. If force play equals 1, then TTS character equals grandpa. Message for TTS equals message. Message for TTS equals message. Chat click. cph.set argument. Force play. One. Okay. So that forces it to play. Force play. force underscore play. Oh, we haven't gotten to the explosions yet. CS, it's line 69. Okay, so grandpa is not working. Oh, TTS character equals... Okay, there we go.
Those are cool.
Oh, okay. Okay, we fixed that. Jesus. Okay, now we fixed the clicking.
I believe in you, homie.
Thank you. Thank you. It defaults to the grandpa.
One time I coded in C#.
You are a nerd. You are a nerd. Okay. So what were we doing? We were doing mods. We were doing mod reply. So mod reply, the problem was, okay, is mod forced equals to 1? And if I feel like I'm vibe coding, to be honest. I feel like I'm vibe coding, but I'm like vibe coding in my head because I'm losing track of how this all works. I don't know what grandpa. That didn't mean to say grandpa. Defaults to grandpa. Message for TTS equals message. Do not split out. Yes. Okay. And so if I say TTS nerd, that doesn't work. All right. So what if I just say TTS? Okay, test. Okay, so this thing is just kind of fucked. Oh, whoa. Test message character. Okay, message character is not showing up. Maybe it's and? Maybe it's an and operation here? TTS. Okay, that doesn't work. TTS. At TTS nerd. Blue Eyes Dragon, thank you for the 100 bits. Also, I don't know why that didn't play. Thank you for the 100 bits though.
Cheer 100, I can't see the code with the leaderboard in the way.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Well, we gotta figure out that bit situation. If is... Yeah, hold on. Bit should always be forced to play. So something about the force to play is breaking. And I know I'm just like working too fast and I'm messing shit up, but it's frustrating. Okay, so if message part length is 1, which it is, 4 is channel points. What the fuck? Why didn't it play for the bits? There's nothing wrong with this. If message point length is 1. If mod reply is 1, TTS character is force character. Message. Why didn't that work? What part of this is not working? Okay. It's the conditional statement. I have the conditional statement wrong. So if message character is not null... Oh, is mod forced. This mod force should always be on, actually. If mod force should always be on. And this should be grandpa. Okay, I see. So this should be grandpa. And this should be up here. Okay, so the problem now is I can say TTS morning. Okay, what the fuck? I'm so close to crashing out, everybody. I'm so close to crashing out. Why the fuck is this not working anymore? If message length is 1, if mod reply. Oh. Oh, there's, oh my god. I got distracted because I need to do if mod okay, so I need to refactor this because I actually got tilted. All right, so let's start back from here. We need to make sure that I'm properly passing in a character. Okay, so we know that if I do TTS, that works. And then if I do TTS nerd, that doesn't work. Actually, that doesn't work at all for some reason. Even though it should go here. Okay, so this part is kind of fucked. We split. Oh! That's probably
All right, Morose.
Okay, Beetle shrug. Okay. So this part I think is unfucked. This part I think is unfucked. Because I'm getting the right things to show up. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off this debugger. Okay, so the problem I have here is I have two arguments. Is mod forced? And mod reply. Okay, so is mod forced and mod reply. Is mod, I'm gonna say character forced. And mod reply. Okay. So I have if it's a mod reply or if the mod forced a character. Character forced. Okay. So I want it to work where if it's mod reply, go to force character. Okay, that works. That looks fine. Down here, if mod reply is equal to 1. Wait, the force character should always be default grandpa. So the problem here is no longer. Okay, so if it's a mod, the problem here is no longer this script, it's assigning. The fuck? Okay, it's like in a weird assignment thing. Okay, let me just delete this code. Let me just delete this. I just need it working like it normally is. Okay, so force character grandpa, mod reply 1. I need it to work in one case where message length mod reply 1 is equal to force character. And I also need it to work in this case if mod reply 1 force character TTS. Okay. Character TTS. Okay. So let's say show toast notification test TTS character. You should both say grandpa. Okay. That's working. That's working, but for some reason it's not like actually playing the TTS at all. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna go back up and find a sample. Nerd.
One time I coded in C#.
That's weird. Okay, so that works if it's split in two. TTS equals force character. Oh, okay, hold on. TTS equals the force character. Oh, but the force character, oh, okay, shit. This technically shouldn't be here. Wait, if mod reply equals 1. It's this. If mod character is force. This is it. That's it, actually. If mod character is 1. Okay. Is mod force character is 1. Okay, now I'm gonna need this nerd. I'm gonna turn you into TTS Axo.
We should refactor the code base in Rust.
Okay, why did that? Why did that turn you into Grandpa and not Axo? Wait a second. I think there was a clue there. TTS Axo. Okay.
We should refactor the code base in Rust.
Oh. Okay, hold on. Because, okay, actually that is working as projected. So this, what's the problem now? Okay, so I'm not getting the proper character from mods forcing the character. That's expected. But now I need it to work for message length equals only to 1 because I should be able to force characters. I should be able to force TTS on like random shit like this. Which is not working. Okay, that's interesting. That is not working. That's very interesting. Message parts dot length is equal to 1. Wait a second. Wait a second. That makes no sense, actually. Test Grandpa, okay. I'm not toasting anywhere. I'm not sending a toast notification anywhere else. So why, what the fuck is happening? Because when I make the code... When I make the test TTS character... Okay, what the hell? If is 1. But this is only if length is 2. Length is 1. Length is 1. What the hell? No. Oh, wait. No, we're down here. We're down here. Okay, never mind. We're down here. Single length. Okay. I think that is correct. Okay, yeah, never mind. We're in the right area. So we're in single length. Show test character. Okay, TTS character is Grandpa. Message for TTS is message. And so that should pass down if force play. Okay, we are not forced. No. That line might have fucked us. Okay, I think that's the rest.
We killed it! Hooray!
Okay, we're back to default. So, we are back to default. If mod reply equals 1. Now, if in this sub if mod reply equals 1, we do a sub if mod character forced equal to 1, then we say TTS character equals force character. Okay. Now we're gonna toast down here. Just like update character with forced character. Okay, now we do this weird thing here where if message is okay, message character. Okay, so let's say if message character. Let's not do this null shit, actually. If message character is not equal to this is my oh wait, my character forced is always on here, so my character forced should be down here. Update with new character. Okay. So I take this and I say TTS nerd.
There's instructions somewhere for setting up to do streamer bot stuff in VS Code. You still have to cut and paste the code into streamer bot, but otherwise works great.
Holy, this is gonna be the most
Archable. We all know that the Gelka Gecko is gonna be at the top, just for the fact it's funny to be there.
Okay. Now the new trick is going to be
Grandpa has returned the vocal cords!
oh god, all these toast notifications I gotta turn off. That should not have taken me that long. But the tech is amazing. The tech is amazing, actually. Turn off this toast. Okay, so if you should be able to override someone's character. So this person said they're a nerd. I'm gonna say they're now Watson.
One time I coded in C#.
Yes! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Yes, let me explain everything I just did. Never mind. No, fuck you. This is my code. This is my stream. The stream will resume. You will not learn anything. Wait, now I can't click on your shit. Hold on. Hold on.
So rude.
Oh, no, never mind. It works.
I cast stream crashing spell.
Wait a second. Okay, so I can't chat click. Excuse me. Force click. Oh, okay. Force click play. So, if force click play.
Sugoi desu.
Oh, force play. Force click play. Okay, if force click play, then TTS character equals force character. Then TTS message for TTS equals message. Compile. Oh, Boolean implicit. Oh, okay. Equal 1. Done.
Yay!
Yes. Okay. Everything is working like normal. Everything's working like normal. All right. Let me outline everything we just did. So here are the new TTS System updates. Mods can reply to any message and force TTS update and force the message into TTS. Hold on. Force sounds a lot.
Now make it in Rust.
Yeah, mods can reply to any message and turn the message into TTS. Mods can override any message with new character voices. Okay, now I want a version for me where I can just click on them. Because this one just turns you into a grandpa, but what if I turned you into something else? Okay, now I have a question. Now I have a question that is going to lead me to refactor all of this again. If mod character is forced... Okay. So here... Okay, if mod character forced... Okay, hold on. Force character. Is mod character forced and force character. So this should not be... This could technically be outside this scope. Right? Like, this can work anywhere. Compile. Done. Add TTS nerd.
Shindig smooch.
Okay. So now... Force character. If I go to chat click... What if I say is force character? Oh, okay, hold on. The trick here is I go to settings, close this, general, quick actions, message, delete all these. Okay, so this one gets deleted, this one gets deleted, this one gets deleted, this one gets deleted. Okay, character TTS generalized check click. Add new quick action. Oh wait, can I duplicate this? No, okay. We'll say character TTS nerd. Right, nerd. TTS generalize click. Add argument. Okay, this is it. So is save argument. I need to look at this. Mod reply. Okay, so it's force character and is character forced. Okay. Force character and is character forced. So general quick message. Fuck. Okay. Add force is character forced is 1. Add forced character nerd save. Okay. Let's see if this works.
Born to shonen, forced to nerd. Born to shonen, forced to nerd.
What the hell? Okay, that's not just working. That's not working. Quick actions. Oh, what the fuck? Save at... Oh my god. Add argument. Forced character. I have to save it? Oh, it was in this one. Oh no.
This code is so good it should also be on Wii U. I love stealing vocal cords. Shuffled between bodies at the whim of higher beings. First chat reincarnation stream.
Okay, you know what? No idea why that isn't working. Why can I not click you and turn you into a nerd? Why can I not click you and turn you into a nerd? Oh, you know, probably because the order of operations. Maybe is click character forced has to be it. So cph.try get arg is click character forced out string. Oh wait, out. Oh, you know what? No. You know what? Okay, actually, I think I know the issue. So let's take out Grandpa. If force click play. Okay. What the hell? Is forced click play. Oh. Something is not right. Something broke again.
Test.
Okay, that works. Sorry.
I use Arch, by the way.
That works.
I use Arch, by the way.
Okay, so just single TTS is not working, and I have no idea why. Okay, so if it's TTS, mod reply. Yeah, I have no idea why it's not working for the single ones. So this one will work.
Hi, here's my social security number.
But then this person doesn't work. Okay, why is that? So it should be activating on length 1. Mod reply defaults to grandpa. Oh, yeah, it's something. It's something with the single message ones. Capital letters? Oh, okay. Something's fucked here. So this works. Is Moss Force character? If force click play. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. I think this might be the culprit for some reason, and I have no idea why. Okay, that's weird.
Go and make me a sandwich, female. Huh.
Oh my god, I can't be replied to that. Don't do that. Okay, let's see this. Your grandpa, golden. Alright. Wait, so it's all being passed down properly. So this works. Okay. Down here works. If mod character is forced. Yeah, that's oh. Okay, let's try this. It never exits this area. That's fucking weird. Okay, so this works. Is mod character forced?
Such is the ritual of sacrifice to the coding gods, Grandpa.
It's not Chinese cartoons, Grandpa. It's called anime, and it's actually really deep. Too deep for your Westerner mind to understand. Lucky Star, Azumanga Daioh, and Nichijou are peak comedy anime.
Got it. Okay.
Why am I just wizard? Why don't I have a name like all the other characters?
Okay, what's the problem here? Message length 1, TTS, if mod 1. Oh. Else TC, what if I say else TTS, okay, this is gonna be weird. Else TTS character equals grandpa? What the fuck? Come on. Oh, fuck. Else return. Yeah, actually, this shit might be fucking with me. Oh my god. Rookie fucking mistake, I think. Come on. If nested it. No, these are nested. Oh, rookie mistake.
Can we have a regular option?
Oh my god.
In that Canutt, it was from the amazing digital circus, though it could make a funny copy pasta.
Okay, let me remove this toast here. Wait, where's my toast? What's popping up? What's popping up? Oh, here we go. Okay. This toast here, we don't need. Okay, but now we have a even newer problem, which is when I click you guys, it doesn't fucking do anything. That's a new problem. Message, character TTS, okay, character TTS. And I think it's because if I go to this, I like commented out nothing. Okay. It's force click play. Okay, actually. If force click play equals 1, I think this is needed because is force click play equals 1. That doesn't work. That's concerning.
All these Windows sounds keep throwing me off as I have Stream in the background.
I'm sorry, it's the fastest way I can debug with StreamerBot. Okay, so for the two part 1, that doesn't make sense why that isn't working. Because if character list, okay. Because if I go back up to nerd and click you, this doesn't work at all. Actually, let's go action history. Let's see what happens. Okay, clicking nerd. Message nerd, I'm on Linux, TTS generalize. Force character is, okay. But if I after run. Force character, grandpa, force click play, message. Yeah, so then I pass this down. Actually, what the fuck is happening? Oh, wait, this is actually a good debugger. Username. No, wait, someone just said Sammy here. Okay,
Can we have a regular option? Can we have a regular option? Can we have a regular option?
okay, interesting. So this one from Fetch, where it says, nerd, you say you a lesbian girl, me too. Message. Force click play, force character, grandpa. Okay.
All relot, that's just satanic.
Grandpa, Shonin, Cultist, Nerd, Axo, Wizard, Rupert, Watson.
Oh, what the hell? Okay, so this is interesting. The new fucked up thing is the TTS just broke in general for some reason. That's cool. Yeah, I need a debugger.
I don't know coding, but EDK how it would...
Wait.
I don't know coding, but IDK how it would...
Wait, now it's just working. Wait, I'm just gonna restart StreamerBot. Something seems really sus about this. Like, for some reason, the two structured messages aren't working. I just feels like a bug. That feels like a StreamerBot bug. Okay, let's try this. It's all broken again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
This is a test message.
Okay, I'm gonna restart StreamerBot. Oh, you know what would be really funny? If I ran out of credits. That's like a completely possible thing that could happen. Well, that's not happening. Well, Tony Looney, thank you for the 5 gifted. Thank you, thank you. We're gonna get this working.
Whoa! Hey, Tuna Looney plus 2.
Okay. That's weird. Okay, so if I click...
That would be hilarious.
If I click one person...
With all the grandpas popping up, it's like credits already.
We have to break the record.
Okay.
We have to break the record.
Alright. And then let's say this guy. Okay, so it's just the 2... It's when you type a chat message which shows the character you want, the character you in the message you want, it's not working. And I have no idea why. Yeah, so this passes it. This is gonna pass it. Hold on, let me get some sample stuff here. So that doesn't work. Nerd works. Nerd should work. Oh wait, no. So this one should work.
Maybe the selector's choice of TTS voice is overriding the 2-section sentence with nothing.
Yeah, you know what? You're probably right. Okay, so it says if message... No. If message link is here, then do all this. If message... Okay, hold on. If you're probably onto something. If message part here is right, this should be a sub if. Else, return true. Okay, so all this stuff can be ignored, more or less. Okay, I'm gonna add a logging thing down here. Because it should give me the character. So this should read nerd. Okay, it doesn't get down there. So this logging is not working down here. Let's try logging at the very top. Maybe it's just an issue with, for some reason, activating any of this shit. PTS character. Okay. Compile. Okay. So it works down here. It's grandpa. If character list, okay, this default grandpa. If mod character force is equal to 1. Oh, equals force character. But why is it not working with the chat either? Like, because you should be chatting and it should just be working. Okay, save. Let's go to free chat. Or actually, let's go to click. And mod force character. Okay, force character, grandpa, force click play. So I don't have anything that forces that if statement to work the way that it's working. This technically is correct. Message length parts 2. It's so fucking confusing. Okay. Because this, it will not work. But however, this will work. Or actually, this will work. Grandpa Army.
Grandpa Army.
Yeah, so that will work. What is going on here? So if I say AXO... Wait a second. What the fuck is happening? Yeah, it's something off about this logic at the top. Oh, it's something with these brackets. It's something with these fucking brackets, I swear to God. Okay. What if I just commented all of this out? All this stuff with message link, I comment all of it out.
Hi.
Okay. Holy fuck.
Hello?
Back in my day, son, we didn't have bugs. We had features nobody asked for.
Wait a second. Why is it going? Oh, okay. I know why that's
We
happening.
had features nobody asked for.
Chromie OS Flex is an operating system maintained by Google that is based on Chromie OS. It is designed to be installed on devices that are not Chromebooks, such as on Windows computers.
To go to your next adventure, try spelling basement. Testing.
Okay. Let's walk through this actually. So let's go. Let's uncomment this. Let's go through it line by line. Because I think there's some shit here. This character manager. Okay, these all run action. Okay, so if the length is 1, if bits is 1, okay. This is the problem child for some reason. Like, this whole thing is the problem. So if... Hold on, I need to use this. I need to use this notation. Otherwise I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. So if message parse length equals 1, and check all this stuff. If bits equals 1, choose grandpa, mod reply 1. Force 1, okay. 1. else skip everything, which is what I want. Okay, else if none of this is true. Oh, I think I understand the issue. So if this is it, what? How do I else? Okay, this is so stupid. Else if, I think that's gonna help.
I like how it shows people talking that didn't activate TTS and says nothing. Back in my day, we were Chinese. Beep.
Yayat are done.
I cast impossible to find bug on you.
I have little brain, yet I must... Wait, what's happening again?
Oh my god. Okay, now okay, so now it keeps going to the rest of the file. So if that's just 2. Okay, else return true. What is this else correlated with? Else, is it all this? Oh, if it's 1. If. Okay, if it's 2, but if it's 1, and none of these are true, okay, this is the complicated. This block here is a fucked up complicated part. This return true is not here. So if is this. If it's this. Oh. This is gonna be so gross. I'm gonna say int can play equals 1. Can play equals 1. Can play equals 1. Oh wait, wait. There's an easier way to do this. If TTS message is not equal to wait. Actually, just do it right here. At the end of all this, say if TTS message is double equal to this, or TTS message is null, then return true. Just exit. Okay. Need this for messed up logic. Need this to retain messed up logic above and exit if no message compiled. Message for TTS. That's what it is. Okay. Compile. Oh. 102, return true. All right. So the problem here is there's this huge, like, weird, blocky, this weird fucked up string of if statements that I can't just do like a clean else at the end of it for some reason. Unless I make it a weirder and fuckier if statement. Okay. What was I trying to fix again? I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember what I was trying to fix.
You got this, Shin.
Oh, I remember.
And by this, I mean the ability to break literally anything you touch.
New testing there!
Anaconda is a popular, free,
okay, that's
open
supposed to
source
skip
platform
Toonie
for
Looney's
Python
TTS.
and R that don't want none. Unless you got
welcome
buns,
MX Puffin,
fun.
thank you for the tip. I got it. Null or empty? Oh, we love C# here.
Go use the command sudo len s/lib 64/x86 _ 64 linux gnu * 6/lib 64 * 6.
Null or empty this message.
Now,
How are coding travels today?
Hi, my son.
You can collapse headers. I try to do that, but it's just the way that I think
Rah! You fool!
I'm trying to make the logic
Mom
all
said
work
it's
together.
my turn on the Xbox. Moo-ha-ha! This is my perfect victory!
you got this, Shin. And by this, I mean the ability to break literally anything you touch.
Okay, so let's turn that off. And let's try the TTS. So the TTS should work for anybody.
Test.
Hello.
All right. Yeah, I just added...
Can we go faster?
I fell into the trap where I'm adding like too many if statements and too many flags, so like that all has to get cleaned up at some point, or maybe not, I don't know. Like this used to be so much cleaner and now I completely fucked it today. Yeah, because I check. Oh, you know what I could have done? No. I was gonna say I could break, but I shouldn't. No breaks. This basically says if after all of that nothing is set for TTS, actually it should just be like this. If nothing is set for TTS, then skip everything. TTS equals forced character is mod character forced equals 1. Okay, I mean now that this works, wait. Now that this works, I think if I pull this up here. No, this is already pulled up here. Is forced click play is mod character forced. Okay, I'm gonna say is mod character forced. Because I want to be able to, like, turn you into a nerd. But this forces character to be grandpa. If force character equals grandpa. Okay, actually, hold on. Let's follow this. So if force character is equal to grandpa, and I force click you, let's say what? Okay, if I force click you, wait a second. What happens if I force click you?
Grandpa,
I love communism.
Okay, so I need to follow this. So if I force click you, I send flags that are force character and grandpa and force click play. I send that down to the TTS manager, which okay. So if I click a message without
am I wrong, chat room?
anybody, it just becomes grandpa. Oh. Okay, so if I click anybody, so force character. Okay. Because I want this to be anybody. Okay, so I'm gonna comment this out. All right, compile. Okay. Okay, interesting. And if I don't comment out grandpa, I think it'll properly read you guys.
PLOS, I got like 30 minutes left of my birthday. Don't run it for me.
Chrome OS Flex is an operating system maintained by Google that is based on Chrome OS. It is designed to be installed on devices that are not Chromebooks, such as on Windows computers.
Oh my god, wait a second. cph.trygetarg force. Oh shit. String force click character equals nothing. Force click character. Click out, click character. Well, what happens? Hold on. What happens if I try get arg and nothing's there? What happens if I try get arg and nothing's there? It returns true or false. Oh. Wait, what? That's fucking crazy. Wait, so if I try this and say if, wait, it returns a boolean. Oh, okay. I think I'm picking up what you're putting down. If this is true, I'm gonna say if this is true, just to be explicit. If this is true, then set argument force click character. Force character to be click character. Okay. Yes. Else, oh my god, this PTSD. Else statement, grandpa. Default into grandpa. Line 13. Invalid expression term string. Oh, out string. Well. Message doesn't exist in current context. Oh fuck, did I delete something? cph.trygetarg message out string message. Alright. So, can I force you into a nerd? Okay, I can.
Akin to a zombie, I arise. Just a little eepy after a nap, but willing. I can't.
Okay, quick actions. Message, this one. Okay, not that. Forced character nerd. Save arguments. Or is that forced character or forced character? Forced character. So I had the parameter wrong anyway. Dude, we were doing so good. I was feeling so good about all these systems up until today. I was like, I understand everything. Now I don't understand anything. Can I force you into a nerd?
Homer, you're dumb as a mule and twice as ugly. If a strange man offers you a ride, I say take it.
Listen, listen. We will erase your memory.
Oh. Force clicked character. Force click character. Wrong parameter. Force click character. Save. Exit. Forced nerd. Oh. Forced nerd. Oh.
I spy a typo.
Homer, you're dumb as a mule and twice as ugly. If a strange man offers you a ride, I say take it. Homer, you're dumb as a mule and twice as ugly. If a strange man offers you a ride, I say take it.
Listen, listen. We will erase your memory.
Wait, force click character is nerd. Why it? Oh my god! I just noticed my problem. I just noticed my problem. Wait, no, I don't. No, that's right. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna toast this out. Force click character. cph.show notification click character. So if this is true, if there's a character here, it should read out. Okay, but why is it not passing it down? Right, because... Yeah, okay, why is it not passing it down?
I'm here to play Magic the Gathering and have my milkshake bring all the boys to the yard.
Joelist.
Wait.
I'm here to play Magic the Gathering and have my milkshake bring all the boys to the yard.
Joelist.
Oh! Is mod character forced? Okay. That was the key flag I was missing. So, we go here. There's a fucking typo! So maybe I don't even need that.
I'll just think the typo is intended, IDKLs. Damn you, typos!
Don't go shaking the milk so hard, the sound will attract the boys.
Damn you, typos! And this is why I could never get into coding.
Okay, quick actions, message. Force click character nerd. Force click character nerd. So that's working. Oh my god. Okay, comment that out. You still becoming a grandpa.
Joel,
Yes! Yes, I can force you to be a nerd.
Fart.
I can go back and hopefully this grandpa will now become a nerd.
Is the problem me? My family keeps saying I'm their problem.
Oh, yes, dude. Okay. So technically, out of everything, the main thing we accomplished today is I have laid the foundation for a future Force Fem TTS system.
Too late. I have already depicted myself as the Chad and you as the Rage comic.
Bunch of nerds, the lot of you!
Who have called for cleaning service?
Who have called for cleaning service?
Yeah, because if I make... Okay, so here's the key thing. Now I've generalized this button, so I can make a new... I can make a new button here.
Magic the Gathering and have my milkshake bring all the boys to the yard.
TTS generalized click. So I have this, and I can add this argument, force click character. Let's say turn you into AXO. Force TTS AXO. Save. Exit, and anyone I click will now be AXO. Once the TTS renders. Like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's crazy.
I'm uncomfortable with AXO just staring at us and making those noises.
I should make another
Like
one for
ghosts.
Watson. Oh my goodness, I should make another one for Watson. Add action. Actually, delete this guy. Add action. Force TTS Watson. Save. So now you will become Watson.
Wait, is there a list of all of them?
Yeah, I should, you know what? I'm gonna make a command right now that lists out all the characters. Character manager. You know what? I should... Can I import, like, this list from somewhere else? So I don't have to open this every time? Oh, okay, that's for future me to figure out. I shall make a command. I'll add is commands. It'll be TTS voices. Name TTS voices. Anyone can use it. Okay. And then when I make an action, I'm gonna use this J action. Send chat message on Twitch. Use available characters. Oh my god. I can't do this. I can't do this. Watson. Shit. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then command triggered TTS. Oops, TTS voices. There we go. I want a way to automate like the characters here. So, like, I don't have to, like, update this and something else every time we add a new character, but we did it. We did it. We did it.
There's no D in nerd, you nerd.
Thank you for the 50 bits. I also think if you put the bits in front, it should work. And Diabeezy, dude, your nerd has been... No, it wasn't your nerd, sorry. It's, your Grandpa Peepo has been carrying.
Vedal cheer, Vedal, evil cheer, Vedal cheer, Vedal, evil cheer, Vedal cheer, Vedal, evil cheer. We have na.
My TTS is like me. Technically functional, emotionally questionable. Cheer 50.
No, that doesn't activate the bits. Nice try, though. You forced nerd.
Boo.
Has anyone got an Apple Pen?
Oh, fuck. It just says nerd, huh? Nerd.
Pneumultra microscopic silica volcaniconiosis and cobug is my favorite words.
It's been a long night. We didn't get to the random explosions today, man. Oh my god. What a day. What a day. That was 3 hours of basically letting me able to swap between all these different characters. Man, that's unfortunate. Like, I actually was not meaning to bait and switch the title. I was not meaning to bait and switch the title, but was still fun. I mean, it's just me malding the entire time. 3 hours of work. Well, now the okay, like I've thought about how to make this into a short, and I think it's basically I narrate. This is my dream TTS system. This basically is my dream TTS system, that I can take any one of you, turn you into a character, and then you say a funny thing, and there's like a bunch of different ways you can talk, and we can add new characters at any point in time. We're learning things. Yeah. I'm so glad this has all this TTS integration. Okay, one more thing. I'll just get this set up for next time. I'll get this set up for next time. C# is so much more fun once you learn how to use it efficiently. I do like typing things. It's fun. I seriously do want to have you randomly like move out of the stream. And so that maybe we can get that scripting working here. So this is delay for 1200 and then delay for 301. So add C script. Maybe we'll, you know what? Maybe we'll just do a quick, one more, just one more, just a quick, one more script. One more script to just start our gacha system where you can randomly explode. Okay. Yeah, quick 5-minute coding endeavor. 3-minute coding endeavor. Okay. So I want to handle it all in this. I guess the upside of coding it like with the drag and drop is you don't get fucking syntax errors, so I just have to make sure this is really clean. Okay, so cph.delay. Was there a delay function? What's the delay? Come on, is there not a delay? Not a delay in StreamerBot? C#? Code actions, okay. C# methods. Delay. What the? Wait, there's no delay? How do I sleep? Sleep in C#. Thread sleep. I don't think that's it. It's wait? What the fuck? What? Okay. 1200. Okay. And then cph.obs scene filter. No. Scene. OBS filter. Set filter state. Oh god, okay. String scene. String filter name. Scene name is streamer bot TTS scene. Hold up. We can get even more modular. We can get even more modular. Okay. Oh wait, no. We can't. Wait, or can we? Wait, or can we? So if I go to action history... Ah, okay. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to split out. I'm going to make a new group called TTS Exit Animations. Normal exit. Okay. TTS Exit Animations is going to handle all the different ways you exit out of... Yeah, all the different ways you exit out of the TTS here. So, delay for 1200, okay. Let me copy these. Ooh, oh, that's so clean. That's so clean. Control C. Okay, delay. Okay, there we go. So normal exit. Can we make this more modular? Delete. 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 Okay. Add. This will be cleaner, or this will be easier to manage, I think, in the short term, I think. Just one more script. Okay. How did I do random functions again? C# random. You know what? I have a reference. I have a reference. Using system... No, I don't need using system random. I just need... my gold. Where's my gold? Right here. It's gold. Random less than 500. Okay, right here. Need that. Okay. Random less than 100. So, if... let's say it's under 50, cph run action, wait, cph dot action, run action, wait, save and compile. I want to rename these with a certain convention. So TTS anim normal exit. Okay. And so we're going to open this and say TTS anim normal exit. Run immediately. True. Done. Oops. Random doesn't exist. Oh. So I initiated it somewhere. Oh, random, it's a, why did I put at the top of the line there? Random equals new random. Okay. Else? No. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. If random int less than 100, I'm just gonna say ran int. Oh, wrong scope, wrong process. I'm calling ram. Just ran. Ran. If ran, oh rand. If rand. If rand. If rand is greater than 50, do the same dang thing. Okay. Compile. Okay. Okay. All right, let's test it by letting me click on one of you.
UPA.
Perfect. And what I need to do... Okay, now what I need to do to create the random exit animation is I'm going to go to TTS scene, filters, username in, Frog move in. Oh, no. Frog move out. TTS streamer in. And then streamer move out. So instead of that, let's just say they... Okay, what happened? What's a funny thing? What's a funny proof of concept here? Audio glitch? Scale them down until they vanish. Oh, I didn't save it. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just gonna make them fly away. And this is just a test for me. So special TTS anim shrink away. And let's make this like 3 seconds. Okay, and then move out. Oh, you know what? I need a instant move out. Rename StreamerBot TTS instant move out. So, let me just get my bearings here. We're gonna turn this into shrink away, delay for 3,000 seconds, copy here, instant move out, delay, let's just say for 10, okay? And we're going to rename this is pretty good. TTS sample fly. Oops. TTS sample fly group. Exit animations. Save. Oh shit. What the hell? Sample fly. I'm gonna set a VS Code for this. This is getting insane. I'm clicking through a million things. I'm setting a VS Code for this shit. Okay. TTS anim sample fly.
Grandpa was actually an Olympic gymnast back in the day. You should have seen me.
It's working!
My people need me.
Accessed.
I didn't know Grandpa can do that.
Oh, you could create an action called TTS exit and give it actions of all your exit animations. Then if you right-click the action,
StreamerBot actually has a pretty neat feature with actions. So you could create an action called TTS exit and give it the actions of all your exit anims. Then if you right-click the action, you can set it to execute a random action with wait.
So, MX Puffin, that sounds useful, but I think I want certain animations to happen for other circumstances. No, that's too complicated. That's probably the right mindset, actually. That's probably the absolute right mindset. Because I was like, you know, get it to animate different for like bits or like if they're VIP or something. So what you're saying is, let's say I'm using this dummy one. It's like random action, run action. There's a random group. Oh, if you right click the action. So if I say run action, let's just say a random one, normal exit. Okay, right click. I can give it a weight here. ASD. Oh, in the action browser. Okay. Oh. Oh, set its meant to. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, so that will be random. And so you're saying this will say action group? Oh, whenever ASDF runs, it'll trigger a random action or something. That's kind of wild. Oh, and here's the weight. Oh. Oh, that's a really hidden feature. There's no way I would have ran into that. Okay. Very good to know. Very good to know. Yeah, I feel like that's going to be an important thing in the future. Very cool, though. Well, we did a little bit of what I said I would do in the title. We did a tiny bit of that. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm probably gonna take it like 1 or 2 days break from stream. When I come back, I want to do like a year and
testing.
Oh my God, Fencer Brave, thank you for the 10,000 bits. Why didn't it? Actually, I'm glad you did that. Well, I'm glad you did that because thank you for the 10,000 bits. But now we can go and figure out why. Oh my god, why it didn't parse Rupert. Message stripped. Okay, so message stripped forehead 10,000. Thank you for the forehead 10,000. Oh my god, thank you for the 10,000 bits. You should make diamond TTS for high bits amounts. I should, but the problem here is I'm trying to find a way to strip the message. So it's without the bits and it's just the TTS message. Cause like he did it as Rupert. He did it as Rupert. Okay, well you deserve you at the very least deserve a Rupert. You deserve a Rupert TTS. So I'm gonna set that up. TTS, wait, force TTS Rupert. Rupert, holy fuck. TTS, no, generalize, chat click. And what was it? Force click character, add Rupert, save, +2.
Testing.
Thank you for the 10,000 bits. What's my type speed? Over 100. Probably, if I lock in, I could do 200, but that's like locking in on a test.
X-Cow drink.
Thank you for the 10,000 bits. You're fucking crazy. It's like a hit and run each time. Yeah, I should have a thing where every time there's 10,000 bits fucking dropped in the chat, it's a people show up and do a hit and run on my stream. Oh my god. Let me find, by the way, I do want to find your chat message. Because that is a weird bug where it doesn't strip out the bits, even though it should be. Oh god. There we go. Right? So this is message stripped, but it says forehead 10,000. Make it in React, I would scream. Input count 4, input 0, escaped 0, okay, input 1, testing, right? Isn't there a bits, is bits TTS 1? That's a bug and it's not respecting different bit share modes. That's what I think too.
Is it because they didn't use cheer?
Yeah, I think it's they didn't use cheer. Goodbye. That's so fucking funny. Yeah, that worked. No, see, that worked fine. See, it is because they didn't use cheer. So it's either the cheer has to come at the end. Either it comes at the end of the message.
Let's test it then.
Oh! My god. You didn't have to spend 10,000 bits to test that. You didn't have hope. You, brother, you... You don't... My people need me. My people need me. Bro's testing TTS like they test missiles. An actual missile flying into the stream each time would be fucking crazy. Okay. I'm gonna turn on free chat TTS. I mean, we're near the end of the stream and we have 10,000 bits to sponsor it anyway. Your TTS is now sponsored by Fencer Brave if you wish to partake. It's free TTS, which means you just have to type the character name and it'll auto-activate the TTS.
John!
Goodbye.
Good. Now make it in React.
Pen, pineapple, apple, pen.
I am here to play Magic the Gathering and have my milkshake bring all the boys to the yard.
Fencer Brave, Patreon of the Coders.
It's over 7,000!
I gotta go do my Zenless dailies. Good luck.
Thank you. Oh my god, thank you for the... Thank you for the 20,000 bits.
Message, 50 bits, channel points, or free talk.
Hey guys, I thought today I'd finally do my 10-hour video essay on why Chaos Confetti should be allowed in Magic Tournament play.
Farewell.
I can cook mushroom chowder with couscous. Was it couscous or rice? Rice doesn't go with chowder. Am I thinking of curry? Were there mushrooms in it? Was it even a dish or was it a game? What games have I played? Wolfenstein? Doom's cool. What does Doom remind me of? That we're doomed? Am I even real? Can I even feel? No, wait, I can feel. Can I taste? Oh yeah, I can taste. I remember tasting a mushroom chowder. Did I cook it? Oh yeah, I could cook mushroom chowder with couscous.
I hear you listening to Skrillex. I bet it smells like fuck in there. Yeah, I must go now. My planet needs me.
My people need me.
How are you doing that?
TTS works now, which is great because my real voice is still buffering.
Back in my day, someone buys something just to test.
Farewell.
Let's shoot Grandpa.
Oh, the gold one floating up
Wanna
looks so
join with the
cool.
Lord and Savior.
Chad, why is my goat in top 4 of AO3 ships?
Where am I? Who am I? What am I? Well, it's time for me to go to heaven. Goodbye.
Join the Grandpa Army now.
Shins.
Who has my AK-47?
What is a fence brave, and why do I need them to cut me into that 1,000 bits for me to speak? Him guy.
I wonder how I can get the name to float up with them too. I want to add that to the list of things I
My
need to
training
do.
has finally paid off. Check out my new move. Flight to Kosirit! Power activate!
Is this that rapture I was hearing about?
I'm here to kick ass and... Wait, what am I here for again? Oh, right, to chew bubble. What am I doing? Hey, I remember seeing you on TV. Where's your jester costume?
Wait till the guild hears about this one.
Farewell.
Bippy bop. Diboop huzzah.
Goodbye. That's so
Watch
funny.
this. I will not get sucked up.
No, you're getting sucked.
Popping away! To go to next adventure, you must spell basement.
C++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++ plus. Whoa.
Padaddle Padoodle, your arms are now a noodle.
Farewell.
Change the world, my final message. Goodbye. I'm kind of missing the cute, Karapi-looking Peepo, but I think I'm biased.
We must save my family!
Okay, bye.
Farewell for now. If you need me, I'll be updating emotionally. You won't get me, Jesus. Wait, no.
Goodbye.
I have learned to duel moneticians. Are you proud?
I am.
Time for baby Gronk to gritty off to Ohio.
Really? Even the wizards go to heaven?
GH.
Heaven? Nah, I'm going to the Chow Garden.
I heard that aliens have been abducting people in this area, but that's a load of hoo-ha. Watch this. Hey, aliens, take me. See?
Skibbity. 123.30. What's up?
I forgot his name is Rupert.
The mad scientist, Huinkuma!
Goodbye.
I activate flying power.
Joelle.
I am not ready. Help!
Goodbye.
I cast Dark Blast.
So sad with Grandpa.
Huh? Ski beady, 144, sir.
C sharp! Ha! Call me Smash Mouth! Because I'm the C sharpest tool in the shed! Ha!
C sharp? Ha. Call me Smash Mouth. Because I'm the C sharpest tool in the shed. Ha.
Did you know that you could save 15% or more on car insurance by switching to Geico?
That is the worst
Shin.
one.
I think the wall is behind you.
If something happens to me, I blame Shindigs.
You need to add an effect where going up has heaven effects and going down activates hell effects.
Yeah, we need sound effects.
I just want to feel something. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. Now take it a little faster.
Oh.
I want to be your hero. So, go beyond. Plus, Ultra.
Oh, I think hold on, I think some of these things are not grouped correctly.
Hi.
Oops.
100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats, and a 10-kilometer run every single day.
Stop the 6-7 thing or I will fly.
I drank some fizzy lifting drink with my grandson, Charlie. I'm sure nothing bad will happen.
Wow, yeah, away! Yeah, hi-ya! Hee-hee! Oh, bye!
The name's Axo. Axo the Random.
He who shits last is be the one who decides the blame for the toilet.
He who shits last is be the one who decides the blame for the toilet.
Farewell.
C#? More like, see this cool trick where I shrink and move upwards.
Oh, nice try.
I have 220 days of doing nothing. Ya ka 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 ma ah.
I'll get you my pretty, and your little dog too.
If I stop talking, I ascend. If I stop talking, I ascend. If I stop talking, I ascend. Huh, what now? Where's Betty?
Farewell.
I will kill all the titans.
You John Madden.
6, 7 in. Huh? Where am I?
Kissing me so suddenly. I didn't take you for a... Wait, what's happening?
I'm ready. Take me now, dark gods.
How said it's a heaven up there?
Now, this is a story all about how our little chat room's lit right now. And I'd like to take a minute. Just sit right there. I'll tell you how we turned this stream into a digital affair. Why do I look like Marty McFly?
I'm going to hell. Archibald High, your attempt to nerd has failed.
Hello, Shindigs.
That's a little backed up now. Hello.
What does this button do?
At Archibald, hey, your attempt to nerd has failed.
Okay, sorry, I turned off the queue, but I want to add and change one more thing. Come on, guys, just one more. I want the names to go in and out with you, and I think to do that, let's say streamer bought car composite. Then we're gonna put that here, and then we're gonna put your title. I can stop anytime I want, by the way. I can stop anytime I want. Okay, so StreamerBot composites here, and then StreamerBot scene, copy paste. Okay, so I'm gonna have to redo a number of these things. But we're gonna say, I wanna call this StreamerBot composite mirror. Hi Raider, hello! So good to see you. We have made much advances. Wait, the TTS scene. We have made many advances in the TTS tech today. Oh, you're a mod. You're a mod. Hold on. Don't do anything yet. Don't do anything yet. Hold on. Do not do anything yet, because it's gonna crash the stream. Streamer bot care composite. Does that work? What the fuck? Oh, Streambot. I spelled it Streambot. StreamerBot. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna keep them like this. Okay, a TTS scene filter, StreamerBot in, copy, do not move it with username, move out like this. Transform, do not move it with username. Shrink away. Okay, oh fuck, composite. Oh shit, composite. So StreamerBot move out this way, move in this way, move out instant, actually move out instant this way. Okay. And then StreamerBot composite. All right, so I need to change a line of code. Because this will let me do the animations a lot better. So, manager, an exit where he jumps over my head. Things are possible. Okay, StreamRock Kyre, mirror input set in. Oh, mirror. Okay, okay. So it goes to mirror input. Oh, because I do it raw. Holy brother. Oh, it might just work. Okay. Just set the raw. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so Narrator, as a mod, this is important for you to know.
Naruhodo.
You can reply to any message, and you can reply to any message with just !TTS or !TTS and the name of the character, and it will turn that message into a TTS character as a mod. So like this.
The Manger from Office Space.
Okay, so it's... Oh, farewell.
Juiced jeans that juice jeans.
Okay, I think the issue here... don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. Okay, the StreamerBot move in was not working. So let's get this. Transform. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
There are some ideas.
This stream makes me feel something.
This stream makes me feel something.
Farewell. I can give them items now. Though, okay, now that I have it set up like this, I can give them items in certain situations. Okay, anyway, as a mod, you now have those powers, and we'll get more powers for artists as well. And I can also force people to be different characters by clicking on them in the chat client. So you can be Rupert.
Extremely powerful.
Oh, farewell.
At Toonalooney think Mary Poppins.
Oh wait, do not do anything because I need to adjust one more thing.
Extremely powerful.
All right, there we go. So they should not be flying from heaven. They should not be flying from heaven. You know, the thing that MX Puffin said isn't a bad idea, just to do like the random function and like manually assign them weights. No, actually, no. I think doing the script is probably better. No, I mean, because what was I would add it here. Within a random, and then, you know, that might be the play. That might be the play. Yeah, new parent action to host all my sub actions. Let's think of a new animation to work on to test this out. So what would another fun animation be? Crane pulled off screen. Oh, that's actually so good. Mario jump. Oh yeah, someone said they jump over, they just like leave and jump over my head. Okay, let's actually, that's kind of really funny to me. Okay, so duplicate. But it jumps on my head like a Goomba? Oh, that's really complicated. I do want SFX, but that's gonna be a lot. Oh, actually, here's one that's not gonna be too complicated. Rotation, -90. No. Oh no. Center. Oh fuck. I have to redo all this stuff because it needs to be centered. It needs to be centered. Okay, hold on. Close. Move out. Move in. Move out. Move out instant. Shrink away. Okay. Move in, move out. Move in, move out, move in, move out, move in. Actually, they should be like here. Move out. Instant. Move in. Okay. Backflip. All right, and then the backflip is like, that's going too fast. I should ease out, right? 500? Yeah. How feasible is for the grumpy old man, but one thought is okay, not sure how feasible or reasonable it is, but one thought I have for the grumpy old man, it plays a 10-second intro animation with him walking on the screen, says his message, then repeats as he leaves. That's like an epic animation, dude. That's like that's like that's like a that's a really high tier, high effort animation. Okay, move in. Okay, backflip. Okay. So let's try this. So we're going to, okay, duplicate this. Actually, duplicate this. Delay for like 500. So let's say actually 700. And this is, oh, this might be really quick to do it this way, the way that MX Puffin wants to do it. Or sorry, that they suggested to do it. So they call this backflip. Flat exit. I'm gonna call this samplify exit. Okay. And execute code. We'll freeze this for now. And then we'll run actions, run action. We're gonna run action T. That's our dummy. I'm gonna rename this TTS exit randomizer. Run action TTS anim backflip. Normal. And then sample fly. Okay. And then we turn this to random. Okay, wait. I'm gonna put this 0.33. Wait. 0.33. Edit. Wait. 0.33. Backflip. I want to add a sound. Let's see if this can work. Please sound. Not from folder. From folder? Oh, this is just from any folder. Okay, sound. Is it? Oh, just play sound. Okay, that's what I thought. Alright, let's see if what sounds I got. Don't I have like a yoink sound? Move in. I do have these sounds. I think this is just called yoink. What was the one we used when they were just appearing on the screen? What was that called again? Whoosh, ouch, shock. I don't know if I can do an OGG, that's kind of crazy. Hit marker, door knock, fly away, cough. Oh, slide whistle. Will that work? Oh, OGG works, great. All right, so let's test this out. If they're all gonna be randomized. It's gonna be buggy because they're already on screen, but let's see if this works.
Vedalai, yeah, Vedalai, yeah, Vedalai, yeah.
Oh,
Gifted during train, Nat?
Pigeon 4 peep, so cute.
My tummy hurts.
Operation 14, thank you for the raid. We are demoing our new TTS system, which has a lot of insane
I
features.
want an animation that you stuck him in.
Yes, dude. Slowly walks in and out Elmfowl.
I hate how funny that is.
The messages need to fade out as they rise.
Shindigs, hi, raiders.
The slide is a little loud. Let me turn that down. Oh, it's 130. Yeah, let's do half of that.
Hello, raiders.
Hello, Raiders.
Fun. What happens when we have T-Tess a Remy? I wonder.
Guess what? Chicken butt.
He's just gone. He's just out of there.
Mukaim Lovu, Mukaim Lovu, Mukaim Lovu.
Where did he go?
Guess who, chicken poo? Yummy in my tummy.
The backflip isn't really as inspirational for me. To have people walk out in the middle of the TTS is a little difficult because I have it set up where it waits for the TTS to be fully read before an animation happens. I put a sound on the Discord for the backflip. It'll make it 100% better. Okay. Let's see here. That's actually good. That is actually good. Okay. Let's test that. Let's test this. Let's test this trick shot sounding backflip.
A true GG.
Hell yeah.
Backflipping, but with style. Trick shot me.
At Blue Eyes Dragon, I was going to say, it sounded like you're striking a pose.
That sound effect is good. LMAO.
Backflip.
Shin, you said you're gonna end the stream.
LMAO.
Sounds like hitting a perfect combo.
I can't.
He said that like an hour ago.
Yes, dude. Yes, dude. Oh, what?
Kick combo breaker.
Greatest stream of my life.
A heaven sound effect? Oh, I know what you mean. This thing is 9 seconds long. No, it's fine. It's fine. I can turn it off in StreamerBot. Yeah, see, I'm so glad we got done with the coding, because this is what I want to work on, is like just the silly animations. I think I can like stop sound. Sorry. Stop. Stop all sound playback. Yeah, stop all sound playback actually. Okay, we gotta do more tests. We gotta do more tests.
It'll be perfect short.
Real potato chip.
The Geico Gecko is harassing me to not buy insurance from competitors.
Heaven's sound effect with Grandpa is so rad, lol.
No, Grandpa, come back! Come back! Oh, no! Guys, you know what we can do with that? Hold on. Add color source. Hear me out. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, because it's... Oh, okay, never mind. Sorry. It's, Hold on. No, hear me out. Advanced mask. Oops. Alpha mask. Shape. Polygon. Rectangle. Up here. Radius. Higher. Rotation. You picking up what I'm putting down? Okay. Actually, I think a noise displacement lock, because I want it to be... Hold on. I want it to be... Oh, there we go. I want it to be like, you know, like rays of light, right? And so scale X, no, like this. This might not be the play. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Height scale. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, that might not be it, actually. What if I did this? Opacity. There we go. I really want this noise displacement to be working to make it seem like it is like a ray of light. No rotation. A cloud at the top. I think like this is pretty close. Okay, like this. Move value. Color correction. Opacity, here we go. Opacity, let's say 1. Okay, move 1, move 2. 500. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna call this Heaven TTS Heaven Light. This is probably so overkill. Filter state, actually, source. Set source visibility state. Streamer bot TTS scene. Heaven's light. Okay, make that visible. Make it hidden. Can I run the sub action right now? Okay, let's see Grandpa send to close out the stream.
Yea, we're gonna go to heaven. No, it's perfect. Love all the Nuero rep in chat.
That's so magical. That is so magical.
Wait, you should do Hellfire with the one that goes down. I hope my dog is up here. Absolute Cinema.
Yes, dude. Yes, dude. Yes, dude. Yes, dude. Move it over here.
I've been alive long enough. And to all a good afterlife. So amazing and majestic. The birds are such Anna's touch. Absolute Cinema. E-Leave is silly. Nothing like getting harpoons instead of my Wiedelberger. I will return. Wait, you should do Hellfire with the one that goes down. I hope my dog is up here. Well, at least I never bought a timeshare. Off, see, those were my last words, not my silliness. In a future stream, instead of it being random, you should get to decide whether the chatters go to heaven or not.
I want to give you the ability to choose like what exit animations you get. That might be way too intense, though, because I would have to parse. I would have to parse so much in the chat. Maybe a dash at the end? Yeah, it could be.
I sure would be worried if hell was real. Thank God that ain't the case yet.
Or like in the beginning too. So maybe you can do something like Grandpa dash heaven and then message. Something like that. Because it shows like, yeah, that might be it actually. That actually might be it. So you can choose which animation you want. Care message. No, I think it's care exit message. Grandpa into the sun message. No, I think I would have to make it a different One Sprite had the Toy Story. It's a playlist, man. It's a playlist. I hope to God this thing doesn't get screwed. Yeah, character, exit, and message. I think it would have to be like a different symbol though. Can I actually see the words? What do you mean? Will it confuse it to have the dash over times? Technically it wouldn't. It technically wouldn't. I could find a way to figure that out. Because I could say like if there is 3, so I could say dash 3, and if it's count 2, then it's...
Strike me down, Zeus, you don't have the balls!
The other thing is we can just make it on a per avatar basis. So it's different.
Strike me down, Zeus, you don't have the balls. Cheer 100.
It's on a per avatar basis then, you know? So you choose who you want and they'll exit in the same way. Only thought would be character message exit would be easier to understand. Yeah, that could probably, that actually might work better. That might actually work better. That might work better for I'm trying to think. I'm fucking fried. I need to go sleep. That might work better for the parsing, but I'm gonna keep it random from now because I like the idea that you'll get a random little treat at the end of your TTS. You can already choose one, but I think it's fun you get like a random little treat at the end, right? Because maybe in the future, I definitely want the next stream for us to just like be making a lot of funny animations and sound effects and things like that. Okay. Let me find who to raid. I'm way past my bedtime. And I got work tomorrow. Oh, Discord. Yeah, I actually wanted to talk about this with Discord. So, we have a Discord server if you want to join. Now would be a good time, I think, because I want to get more people involved with... Hold on. I don't think I have anything weird here. I want to get more people involved with making characters or adding animation ideas and sound effects, because that's the next stage I want to take this TTS system. In Discord, we have a area called the waiting room. So not everyone gets approved right away when they join. But when you join, you have to post your Twitch account URL. So what that means, or if I know you, like I know MX Puffin, so you'll just fucking... You get approved right now. But if we don't know you, if you're not like a regular or we just don't know your name, or actually this is the procedure, this is the normal procedure that most people have to go through. You have to post a link to twitch.tv/whatever your viewer account name is. Okay. And then that helps us verify that you're an actual viewer and a real person. And then you can come in, because we don't want, we've had issues with people rating and stuff. So if you could do that, it takes like 2 seconds and you can be approved. Sometimes people don't read the instructions and they're like, excuse me, what's going on? This is an 18+ server. Please link to your Twitch account, the one you use to watch the stream, to verify you're a real person. So yep, there you go. There you go. We should just do this. I can just verify you when we are live on the stream. So great. So perfect. I want to get more people with ideas on how to make the TTS system funnier. I want to implement more of your art into it and kind of rotate characters in and out of the TTS system. That's kind of my goal. So if you just joined here, be sure to post your Twitch link like these guys have done. It is an 18+ server, so don't joke about being under 18. You'll just get straight up banned, and there's pretty much no appeal to that. Be mature, be nice, read the rules. We're all adults. There was one more thing that I wanted to say. Be cool. Oh, yeah. In the future, I kind of want to have people pick a default Peepo outfit. So stay tuned for that. We're going to do the Peepo Awards for the most +2 Peepo. Oh, yeah. I had the +2 thing going on the whole time. Yeah, there are a lot of systems with this TTS going on right now. Maybe I can reserve this for like a TTS tournament where like the best, you know, we'll have people with TTS throughout the stream and you get a vote on who's the best. But this is today's leaderboard. Shoutouts to the Geico Gecko, I suppose. The good old empty string comes for us all. They haunt us and come for us all. Okay, good times, fun times. Let's raid. I think I saw Eric plays bass. Eric plays bass was streaming. They play bass. They do music. Moderator on the stream, front of the stream. Let's raid out to Eric. Thank you, everybody. We locked in today. We locked the fuck in today. I'm planning on a stream break tomorrow and Tuesday probably. So I'll see you Wednesday at the earliest. And let's lock in on just making funnier TTS interactions. No more coding. No more coding. Only making animations. The system is there. This is now Fortnite. Content into the TTS system. Farewell. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you for being here. Goodbye.